Aloha and welcome to another tutorial video for IT 426 Computer Network Services at Brigham Young University, Hawaii. In this video, we're going to continue our discussion of network servers, and particularly Windows servers. We talked about the resources in the previous video. I mentioned the resources that a server makes available depend on the needs and the architecture of the programs being employed by the users. Windows Server 2008 makes a variety, or can provide a variety of resources available. Now, to help you manage your server administration more effectively and efficiently, Microsoft has grouped these services into bundles surrounding what they call roles. A role is a specific function that server is supposed to perform. So Windows Server 2008 comes with up to 17 specific roles, and you can read about those in your textbook for this course, or if you just simply pick your favorite search engine and type in Windows Server 2008 roles, you can get a good list of them. The main message here is that these roles are grouped into three categories, because 17 is a lot to remember, but you can remember three things. And the first category is directory services. Okay, directory services is all about Windows Active Directory. And we could spend an entire course talking about Windows Active Directory. The main tool for Windows Server in managing directories or lists or groups of users and other resources on the network. Okay, so Active Directory is a very powerful tool. We may get into some of it in this course, but it will not be the central focus of this course. And a number of roles are focused on Active Directory and managing directory services. Okay. The next category is infrastructure services. Infrastructure services focus on network-related services. The infrastructure of the network. Think DHCP. Okay. Think DNS. Those types of services are afforded by the roles within the infrastructure category. And the last one, which we're going to spend most of our time focusing on, is application services. Okay, these application services are what allow us to use the server as an application server. It explores many things, including file and printer services and terminal services and a number of other applications that we'll be exploring throughout this class. But the purpose in this video, I want you to just understand that depending on your version of Windows Server 2008 that you're using, you can have up to 17 different roles or bundles of services that are bundled together so that you can manage them more appropriately and say, this server is going to take on or be employed for this role, which means this bundle of services will be provided or administered by this server. So it's something to help you manage, but just to kind of categorize it, make sure you understand that there are directory services, infrastructure services, and application services. That's it for this video. I look forward to seeing your feedback in the comments. Mahalo.